You can use the Watermark Check utility to verify the authenticity of JPEG still frames and MKV videos exported from Axxon Next. To launch the utility, use the Start menu, Start Programs, Axxon Next, Utilities greater than Watermark Check. Now we can check the authenticity of an exported snapshot and video recording. While verifying a digital signature, the thumbnail of the snapshot is displayed in the utility window. Videos cannot be previewed during the verification process. If the digital signature is valid, you'll see the message, Signature Check, OK. Now, let's try to alter an exported still frame and then recheck the signature. You'll now see the message, Invalid Signature. That's how we use the digital signature verification utility.